Hello once again, audience. When we left off, I was checking out this dude with the face that looks like something really bad happened on his face. That sounded maybe bad. It could have sounded less bad. Listen, I will.
Welcome to indoctrination.
Thank you, person. Oh yeah.
In progress.
Oh yeah.
Please wait for the next available church associate.
Yeah, church associate.
Indoctrination is a pleasant
In LA, they have all these little healing centers. They're called healing centers, but they just try to convert you to Scientology. You go in and they're like, "Ooh, your life sucks, man. You need to be a Scientologist. Do you have 50 G's lying around or what?" And you're like, "Nah, it's the recession." They're like, "Yeah, but do you want to go to hell in the recession?" No. I'm dead. Speaking of hell, right in the balls. I'm gonna stomp on your acidy face. I can't even move. That hurts. Piss me off, demon. You piss me off. Nobody pisses me off. Nobody. Except for demons and people all the time that are stupid. They're stupid people. That's it. And normal people too sometimes. But that's almost it. Nobody pisses me off. Because I'm friendly. I'm a good man. I'm a good person. I'm gonna go the hell back up there. Is that where I came from? I'm just gonna go up these stairs. I know. I feel I was already in here, right? But why did that demon just spawn, right? Gotta be something new. And there's definitely 3 doors I could have gone through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. This place is super familiar. I've already freaking been here. No, I haven't. Okay. Ooh, listen.
welcome to the
Thank you. Thank you.
magnificent library.
Shut the hell up. I'm done.
Copies of the church's most sacred text and is a regular meeting
I'm gonna
place.
jab you right in the mouth. I'm gonna javelin you right in the mouth. Session in progress. Not for long, Mosakra. That's why I just was. I don't want to go in there. And then there's the airlock place. Don't shoot that. I'm glad I didn't even notice. I'm glad I didn't shoot that explosive fist person. Okay. Where's the door I unlocked? Aha! That's not even the one, but that is a door, in fact. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Somebody's mad. Oh! Somebody's mad! Somebody's mad! Okay. Hey, it's okay, I'm here. I'm gonna help you. I'm not. I'm gonna kill you, I hope. I don't want to go down there. Screw that, that's where she's coming from. Stomp on the double box. Give me those things. I want them. Alright, girl. I got tons of ammo up here. Where are you at? Where are you at, you whiny little girl? What are they worshipping? Oh, the glowy ball of unitology, of course. We love blue, glowy blue balls. Unitology. Worship. Put your hand toward the balls. I'm not trying to sound dirty or anything. I'm just saying. Just kidding. Okay, that sounds gross. Not gonna lie. I don't like it. Not gonna lie. I don't like it. Not gonna lie. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead! I'm dead. What the hell? I'm dead. I'm dead. Run the hell away. Get the hell back in that elevator, dude.
Hang on, I'll try to override
Oh
all
yeah.
gates from the
I'm
area.
screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Oh good. Oh good. Thank God. Thanks God. Oh, am I locked out here? Good. Just give me enough time to figure out that I'm locked out here, and then I'm screwed. Screwed. I'm screwed. Something out here. What? Oh yeah. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. What is this? Push it. Is that a save? Nope. That's danger. Are you trying to hack a system right now? This is not the time.
I don't think I can open.
Not the time. Not the time, Isaac. Not the time. Not the time. Jesus. Woman? Did you just... Hey. No. You are ugly. You are uglier than the average demon. No offense. Damn you. Ugly. Damn it. Stop. Ah! No! No! I'm serious. I can't even freaking hit this ugly Ha ha ha! I missed. Oh god. Oh god. No, no, no. Hey! Stop reloading! You're worse than Daniel. You are worse than Daniel. Now I got one. I double bagged him. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Come on, bring it. Bring it. I'm not scared. I'm gonna electrocute myself. I don't even care. Ready? And you're both dead! You're both dead! I'm like a Ghostbuster, but I failed. I'm like a Ghostbuster who sucks at his job. I'm sucking at my job. Did I die? Cue it, dude. Cue it. Cue it up. Cue it up, dude. I can't even see. I'm supposed to be pushing E, right? How dare you? How dare you? I can't even see what I'm supposed to be pushing. I can't even see. Don't you take me to your bedroom. He's taking me to his bedroom. What the balls? Please don't start me over from the beginning or I will vomit on myself. Oh yeah. Good, good. Start me over at the angry bear demon part. Angry bears. These are some angry bear demons. Okay, this time I'm not. I wish I had that grenade gun. Oh yeah. This time I know I'm gonna drop those traps and then I'm gonna make them explode. Are they coming yet? I still have to do my whole cutscene thing first, huh? Doesn't sound like it. Does not sound good. I'll be honest. Oh my god, there's something in there! Oh my god! I can't believe it! Oh my god! I can't believe it! I'm gonna hang out up here.
Something in the church. It broke the door.
Hang on. I'll try to override all the gates in the area.
Good, yeah, try. Please do your best, please. Oh yeah, this is the grenade, yeah. I should probably not stand next to this door. Just saying. Hello? Where you at? Bring it. Bring it on. I know you're not coming from behind me because that wouldn't make any sense. You're definitely not coming from behind me. I'm dead. 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 Oh, that's a grenade. Did they know? Did they know? Those grenades are explosive? Ah! I hit you though. I hit you though, didn't I? Yeah. Hell yeah. You better not come from over there. You'll be screwed. Oh yeah. Okay. Stop reloading. Bad timing. Bad time. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Ah! No, I totally electrocuted you, man. Suck it. 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 Jeez Louise. Are they immune? Jeez. I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets. Haha. I'm out of bullets. I'm out of bullets. You're a little pansy. Oh yeah. Right in your mouth. Bring it. I'm ready. Now I'm good. I'm good now. I'm good. I know how to play. I missed. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you. Oh, come on. Taking me to his bed. Son of a. Oh, stasis. Okay, so slow them down. Like it matters. If I could hit him with anything, I would win. I thought I was being smart by dropping those lightning traps. But no, I was being stupid. Being stupid. I don't need to use Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Thanks for watching. Click the to the top right to watch the next video. Bless your face. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. Peace off. Boop.